When we first brought Luna home, our parrot wasn't exactly thrilled.
Smokey was following her, like, this is my home. What are you doing here?
He chased her all around the house.
He tried to attack Luna all the time. They would suddenly meet face by face.
And Smokey screamed at her.
And she's like, what the heck?
She's your sister. Stop it.
When Luna was a baby,
She wanted lots of attention. But Smokey would get so jealous if we dared to pet her. So he started more trouble and tried to blame it on Luna. We started to wonder if we'd made a mistake and if they'd ever get along. Looking back, there were probably some signs. Smokey had always been an only child.
my husband's friend found Smokey.
Near the school where she works.
Here, people have a lot of parrots, and some of them just release them away because they don't really know that parrots are very loud. They make a mess. So we agreed to take him in until we find the owner.
But of course, no one showed up.
We got him when he was still a baby. We actually his parents.
That's how he sees us. We might have spoiled him. Just a little.
You want the biscuit, Smokey? Biscuit.
And Smokey turned out to be a really sassy boy.
He's very moody. You cannot really trust him 100%. It's just up to his mood. Smokey is kind of like cat. He loves to be on top of the shelf. And then if he see anything on top, he just wanted to knock it down.
What do you want?
If you said, no, Smokey, don't do, he just doesn't care and knock it down.
Stop. Smokey. Smokey.
He's speaking a lot though.
Pew, pew.
Hunter.
Smokey speak mostly Portuguese because my husband is Brazilian. And Smokey only copy my husband, not me.
Ai que bonitinho.
He's always on my husband.
Smokey loved being an only child. I'm pretty sure he thought he would never have to share his spotlight with anyone. But then, about a year and a half after we got Smokey, we saw a post about Luna on Facebook.
Someone abandoned her. She's by herself on the streets. Me and my husband were just like, oh, she's so cute.
At first, we weren't sure if we should adopt Luna.
Because it's a lot of responsibility.
And we already had Smokey.
Smokey?
But one day, my husband came to pick me up from work. And when I got to the car, Luna was already sitting in the passenger seat.
My goodness!
My husband had secretly picked her up to surprise me. I was really worried about introducing Luna to Smokey and how he'd react. It was definitely hard in the beginning. Luna had all the things that come with a new, energetic puppy. She explored the house, getting used to her new surroundings. While Smokey didn't let her out of his sight for even a second. He followed her everywhere and would hiss at her every now and then.
Smokey.
It was pretty clear Smokey wasn't happy about having a sibling. Poor Luna just wanted to play. She had no idea why he kept getting so mad and flapping his wings at her. Luna got bitten by him a lot. She loved eating the bird food Smokey would throw all over the floor. And Smokey definitely wasn't okay with that. So he bite her ears and pull on her tail. Smokey thought he was the boss of the house. He had no idea why we'd suddenly brought this little creature home without asking him. In his mind, she was getting all of our attention and eating all his food. We really started to wonder if they'd ever get along.
Smokey! Smokey!
But we tried everything to make it work.
When she's playing with him, her intention is to play, but sometimes it's just too hard on him.
So we'd hold Luna back when she got too energetic so she wouldn't hurt Smokey.
We actually tell her like, no, be gentle.
Luna lighter. Gentle Luna.
But Smokey also bullied her a lot.
He doesn't realize that he's so small, so he actually provoked her a lot. But Luna is fast. She's dodged the bite so many times.
Still, we always made sure they were never left alone without supervision. And we tried to give Smokey all the attention he needed.
But Luna always loved to cuddle. She always thinks that she can fit in everything. So when me and my husband, we would sit together on the couch with Smokey. She ended up just cross me and just sit on top of us both.
Oh my god.
A little bit by little bit, it start adapting with each other. Smokey turned to be curious. Like, okay, I wanted to know what is this thing. If Luna was laying down, Smokey was just staring at her, trying to get used to her.
And so they just accepted each other.
When we are eating, Luna always begging for food. But Smokey would just land there. And then if he
Sees anything on the table, he knocks it down for her. We don't really see them as friends, more like siblings.
Luna is the little sister of Smokey, and Smokey is a bully older brother. Like, I love you, but I don't want to show it. But if you need me, I'm here. They share a toy box, and most of the time they fight for the same toy.
So that's really funny.
Sometimes Smokey can step on her and just sleep. And Luna trying to lick him.
But those sweet moments are very short.
Who's gonna go to
Mano, você é
Papa?
muito folgada.
Because Smokey would be like,
Okay, that's enough.
and still,
They actually miss each other all the time,
when Smokey can't find Luna, he walks around.
calling her name. Like, Luna, Luna. Smokey and Luna gave me a lot of happiness, a lot of companionship. These two are like my children. And I love them so much